Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Driving Fish. Hope you're all doing great. We know it was a tough year and let's hope for a new beginning. And we wish you a happy new year. And you know it's really cold outside and we thought we'll make this canned tuna a little bit spicy and a little hotter. Come on, let's dive in. To begin with, let's add some oil. This tuna is soaked in sunflower oil. Saute a pinch of fennel seeds, cinnamon, cloves, and curry leaves. Wait for a minute and then add chopped onion and chopped green chilies. Fry onion until it turns brown and then come behind a teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Keep stirring it for a minute and then add chopped tomatoes. Now add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, chili powder and coriander powder. I prefer to add these masalas one after the other. This gives a nice aroma. Now sprinkle a teaspoon of salt. Once the oil separates from the tomatoes, add tuna and saute. Spicy hot tuna is ready to be served. Garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. And if you like this video so far, a subscription will motivate us to make more videos like this. And don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section below. Until then, see you. Bye.